Hello, hello! I'm getting a bit hyper. I've done like 2 videos in a row with a change of outfit. What do you think? This is not really that nice, but whatever. I've got greasy hair and just lockdown's getting to me. But anyway, I have one more thing that I ordered that finally arrived. This thing here from LensBaby. I don't even know what you call it. Omni Creative Filter Kit System. They've got 2 sizes of this, so I got the bigger one because I'm using 77mm filters. So I think I mentioned this before. So what I do is for all my lenses, I just get an adapter. I'll show you actually. I've got the other X-T4 here. I'm also filming on the X-T4. So see this? This is like a, so this is sidetracking from what I'm showing you, but it will make sense in a minute. It's probably making a lot of noise. Oh God, anyway. This comes off. Put it back on. I don't know what I was thinking there. So that's the actual lens, and this is a like a converter that takes. I've got this on every lens so that every lens becomes a 77, and then I just have to get one filter or one ND filter, one polarizer, whatever, and one of these that will fit all of my lenses, so I don't have to keep changing. You know what I mean? You know, buying. What I'm trying to say is I don't have to buy different size filters. I just use the one size filter. I'm really not with it. I've had a bit of a crazy morning. I was just so like tired, and then I don't know, now I'm hyperactive. Okay, opening up. Let's see. Oh, I didn't show you the back. No, there's nothing on the back, just this. How's your day anyway? Let me know in the comments. Like, I mean it, let me know. Pause the video, let me know how you're feeling. How's things in your country, by the way, as well? Like, we're in our 12th week of lockdown. I know, crazy. Like, we can go out for exercise and shopping and whatever, but yeah, photography is a bit of a weird one, so obviously filming, like, no. Yeah, it's a bit of a grey area as to whether you're allowed to take your camera or not, so I haven't really been going anywhere. Occasionally I take it in the car as a passenger and take some shots, but yeah, it's just been crazy. I'm really sidetracking. Okay, here we go. So, oh, this is cool. Oh, I like. Oh, it's cool. It's so... Oh, let's see, we open it. I was supposed to open the other thing first, but here we go. Ta-da! Oh, what are these things? Oh, this must be part of the... Oh God, I'm like a little kid. Anyway, let's see. Oh, wow. Oh, holy. Okay, that's big. So basically what this is like a, it like gives you flares and things, I think, from what I understand. I don't even know what these are. Am I supposed to? Oh yeah, these must be the magnets. Sorry, my live unboxings, I never know what I'm doing, but I take you along for the ride, so it's a bit more realistic now. Let's see what this is. I think this might be, I'm a bit concerned as there's not instructions here. I'm getting nervous. Right, so what this is, I think, is we just need to, oh yeah, that'll be that. How about I just figure it out for a second and then I will show you. But I'm assuming that I need to use a step-up ring to get from this to this 85, which they've supplied, and then everything else will stick to this and we can make some flary stuff. So let me just pause and I'll put that on. Okay, so I finally figured out this was actually 77, so I didn't need to do any changing of the rings, etc. But they do come with some adapters. These then mount to here, and they just they're magnetic, so you just pull them on and off, and then you can create flares and things. So what I might do is end the video shortly and just take a few pictures and show you like the little effects that they make. So we've got that one. There's also this one, which is like a bit of a different shape. I'll put that on that side. And then there's also this one. Probably can't really see it too well, but again, it's got the little magnetic ball so that you can put it around. And then there's also this, which I'm not sure what it's for, but I will investigate. And yeah, There's those little ones there that you saw on the pouch as well. So I will give you leave you with a few photos, and if I come up with any cool things, I'll show you the behind the scenes or something next to the photo, and let me know which one is your favorite. So I'll number them so you can let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and give a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe, of course, if you're not subscribed. And I will see you in the next video, and yeah, have a good day. Bye.